grease an oven-proof baking dish with some melted butter. Now we're using some nice buttery croissants from Foodhall. We're just going to cut them into half and apply some more butter. We're using some softened butter here. So one side of the croissant is going to be basted with butter, and on the other side you could use some strawberry or raspberry jam. We're going to be using some raspberry jam for this recipe. Any homemade or store-bought jam is alright. So after applying butter and raspberry jam, we're going to start to layer the dish with the croissants. Now we're going to be making the milk and the egg mixture. So we've got some full eggs here. Just going to whisk them slightly. Add in some vanilla essence or extract. You could also use vanilla bean. Now we're going to add in some milk and some full fat cream. Now we're going to add in some orange zest. Now we're going to add this mixture onto the croissants. The orange zest is going to give a good freshness to the entire recipe. Now you can top it up with any fresh or frozen berries of your choice. We've got some blueberries here and some currants. Now the last and the most flavorful part is the cinnamon sugar from our in-house brand ARQA. We're just going to drizzle a generous amount on top of the berries and the croissants. It's going to caramelize beautifully and release those aromas of the cinnamon when the entire pudding cooks. Now we're going to bake this in the oven at about 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. So after about 30 minutes in the oven, the bread and butter pudding is ready. You can always add in a little more melted butter if you want to indulge, or you could eat it just by itself.